today I'm going to start with radioactivity. There is a page number 300. I'm talking about page 300. It is question number 38. Question number 38. Now, before we'll start with this part, there are certain rules. What are the rules is, if one alpha particle, and I'm writing here, if one alpha particle is emitted from radioactive element, then new element will have atomic number decrease by 2 and mass number decrease by 4. This is the rule. If one alpha particle is emitted, then atomic number is decreased by 2, mass number is decreased by 4. For beta emission, so right here for beta emission, your mass number is same. But atomic number increase by 1. Mass number remains same, but atomic number is increased by 1. Now let's start. What is given over here? This is element P with atomic number X, mass number A. From this we'll get Q, and this is beta emission with -1, beta 0. This is beta emission. Now we know that when there is a beta emission, mass number remains same. So this is your mass number as it is. But atomic number is increased by 1, that is X plus 1. This is your 38. This is the part A. Right? So this is the fill in the blank. Okay. We'll go with second B part. Here is given as uranium 92 to 38. From this we are getting thorium, which is 90 to 34, plus something, plus energy, right? So over here the new element form, right? This atomic number is 2 and mass number is 4. So this 2, 4 is nothing but alpha particle, which is represented by 2He4. That is helium atom is represented for alpha particle. So this is your second. In C part, check what is given. This is uranium, or not given uranium, it is P with 92 to 38, from which we will get Q with alpha emission. You will get R with beta emission, and again you will get S with beta emission, right? So here we know that when one alpha particle is emitted, then atomic number is decreased by 2, so this is your 90, and mass number is decreased by 4, so this is 234. In beta emission, mass number remains same, that is 234, but atomic number is increased by 1, that is 91. Again for beta emission, this remains same, 234, but this part will increase by 1, again it is 90 to 234. Okay, this is about the C. Okay, now check with the D part. In D part, this is X ZA, right? From where there is an alpha emission, you will get X1. With gamma emission, you will get X2. And again with 2 beta, you will get X3, right? So by emission of alpha, we know that atomic number is decreased by 2, this is Z minus 2. Mass number is decreased by 4, A minus 4. With the gamma emission, no change. For gamma emission, there will be no change in atomic and mass number. So I have not written that part. So it remains as it is, that is Z minus 2. This is A minus 4 as it is. Now next part में there are two beta particles are emitted. So beta emission में mass number remains same, so it is A minus 4 as it is. Here atomic number 1 beta जाएगा तो atomic number is increased by 1. अगर 2 जाएगा तो it is plus 2, so this is Z minus 2 plus 2, so this cancel, so this comes out to be Z. So X3 का जो atomic number is Z and mass number will be A minus 4. Check. Now we'll go with E part. E is something important. E is something important. Now E में what is given? Check. This is X. With beta emission, we will get X1. With alpha emission, we will get X2. And again there is a alpha emission, where you will get X3. Now X3 का atomic and mass numbers are given, that is 69 and 172. 69 and 172. Now we go reverse order. When alpha is emitted, atomic number is decreased by 2 and mass number is decreased by 4. So this becomes 71. So 71 minus 2 will give you 69. And your 176 minus 4 will give you 172. Right? Again your alpha. So here this becomes 73. So 73 minus 2 is 71. And this is 180 minus 4 will give you 176. Again beta emission में this mass number remains same. Now atomic number is increased by 1. So over here it is 72. Plus 1 is 73. Now you just cross verify one side. You start from here. Now this is given, say 72, 180. One beta emission, at mass number remains same, atomic number increased by 1. Here from 180, alpha is emitted, 180 minus 4, 176, 73 minus 2, 71. Again alpha emission, atomic number decreased by 2, mass number is decreased by 4. Right? This is about the one question. Right? There is one solved question, right? So I am just discussing that only. Check. There is a one solved question. How many alpha and how many beta are emitted? Right? I am keeping that part as it is. This is page number 296. Right? Question number 11. Solved. What is the question says? Uranium 92 238. It is 238. Undergoes some disintegration and ultimately it comes to a PV lead. It is 82 and it is 206. They want how many alpha and beta particles are emitted. Right? When you are dealing with such type of question, just take care that when alpha is emitted, atomic number is decreased by 2, mass number is decreased by 4. When beta is emitted, no change in mass number, but atomic number increased by 1. So first of all, we'll go with change in mass numbers, that is 238 minus 206. So that comes out to be 32. Now this 32 divided by 4. Now why only divided by 4? Because mass number decreased by 4 because of this number. So this will give you 8. So this 8 is nothing but 8 alpha particles. In this emission, 8 alpha particles are emitted. Right? Now, you got what I have done. I have done 238 minus 206, that is 32. That 32 divided by 4. That will give you number of alpha particles. Now check. If 8 alpha particles are emitted, then, so when 1 alpha is emitted, your atomic number is decreased by 2. So when 8 alpha particles are emitted, then atomic number is 92 minus 2 into 8. Now this is your atomic number of uranium. So कितना कम होना चाहिए? 92 minus 2 into 8. Now why 2 बिकॉज 1 अल्फा जाएगा तो एटॉमिक नंबर डिक्रीज बाय 2, तो 8 अल्फा जाएगा तो कितना होगा इन टोटल, तो दैट कम्स आउट टू बी 92 minus 16 which is 76, right? This number is 76, so new element का atomic number is 76 होना चाहिए, but the atomic number over here is 82. So since 82 minus 76 is equal to 6, so that 6 is nothing but number of beta particles. Number of what? Beta particles. So कैसे पता चला? So when one beta is emitted, your atomic number is increased by 1. So 6 का difference है, तो 6 beta particles are emitted, right? Friends, that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel so that you will get notification, and please comment on my video so that you will get new varieties of videos, and whatever doubts you have I can clear them. Thank you.